Who said that a flex space needs to be boring? HHHunt Homes has redefined the flex space to be the perfect area for entertaining friends and family. The Playroom. Your imagination is your only limitation when it comes to using your flex space for a game room or playroom. They offer the perfect space to add nooks for storing toys, games, or supplies. Playrooms are great for entertaining kids, but adults need to play too. These can serve as a great man cave or she shed, the homeschool room or office. Many families are spending more time at home due to COVID-19. We've got you covered with a variety of home office and virtual classroom options that are perfect for everyone. Just because you're at home doesn't mean you can't enjoy a comfortable place to work and learn. The extra bedroom. Have out-of-town guests? Your flex space can be customized into an extra bedroom. Having an extra bedroom in your home is perfect if you have friends and family visit from out of town frequently. Your guests will love having their own retreat when they come to visit. The fitness room. One of the most popular ways that our homeowners use their flex space is as a home gym or a yoga studio. During the building process, you can select the features you want to make that happen. Imagine getting rid of your gym membership and being able to get a great workout without ever leaving your home. At HHHunt, we believe it's how you live that matters, and we believe in creating homes that offer you the flexibility to make your home as unique as you are.